God has given us food not just for survival, but for healing and restoration. Today, I want to share powerful foods mentioned in the Bible that balance hormones, restore energy, and improve overall health. Barley, found in Ruth 2:17, balances blood sugar. Pomegranate from Song of Solomon 4:3 is rich in antioxidants, supporting fertility and giving a natural skin glow. I've used pomegranate personally and I noticed more energy and clearer skin. And many people in my community are using it too with amazing results. Figs, as mentioned in Jeremiah 24:3 and in other places, boosts energy and reproductive health. Almonds in Genesis 43:11 and walnuts, Song of Solomon 6:11, are filled with healthy fats that keep hormones stable and the brain sharp. Don't have almonds? No problems. Try cashews, pecans, pistachio, and even sunflower seeds. They deliver similar nutrition. Honey. Proverbs 24:13 calls honey sweet and good for health. It's a natural source of energy and immune strength. Lentils in Genesis 25:34 are rich in plant protein. They balance blood sugar and keep hormones in check. If lentils aren't available, beans or chickpeas make excellent substitutes. Now, let's not forget garlic. Garlic may not be in same verses, but somewhere in the Old Testament, we see the Israelites craving garlic and remembering how they enjoyed it while they were in Egypt. But away from that, it's a natural immune booster and detoxifier. Personally, I add garlic to soups, stews, not just for flavor, but for strength. Now, here's the warning, or truth bomb, if you may. Truth is, when we neglect these foods, whether because of cost, taste, or convenience, we pay the price with our health. Hormone imbalance can lead to fatigue, infertility, weight struggles, mood swings, and even chronic diseases. But when we embrace God's wisdom in nutrition, our bodies have the chance to heal, thrive, and serve Him better. I've seen the difference in my own life, and many others are experiencing the same. Start small, choose one or two of these foods this week, and watch how your energy, your mood, and your health begin to shift. Because healing truly starts with what we put on our plate. Yeah, God's word plus God's foods equals natural healing. So, amongst these that I have mentioned, figs happen to be my best, and garlic somehow. I love garlic, but the smell sometimes puts me off, so I tend to take it because of its health benefits. So, for you, which one of them is your best? And which one is your worst, if we may say best and worst? So let me hear you in the comment section, your best and your worst from these Bible superfoods. Ciao.